You saw the title of the video, guys. I'm going to be buying more Bed Bath & Beyond stock this week, and I'm going to break down what my plan is, how many shares I have right now, how many more shares I'm looking to buy, my average cost, all that good stuff. And of course, I'm doing this with the speculative side of my portfolio. I'm not being a complete and utter degenerate, just loading the boat with my life savings on Bed Bath & Beyond stock. I'm not that crazy, guys, but I am looking to buy a little bit more here this week because I do believe we are in store for a big move. And I could be wrong. I've been wrong in the past, but I do believe that's the case here with Bed Bath & Beyond, and we'll break down what my thoughts are. Again, we'll break down how many shares I'm looking to buy. We'll break down the charts for whatever the charts are worth, guys. At this point, you all know sometimes it feels like the charts don't even matter, but still, we'll break down some key levels in this video. So if y'all find value, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo. If you guys want some free money, up to 15 stocks, each up to $2,000, use that link down below or go to StasSurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you guys open up an account, right off the bat, you get one free share of stock. And once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And it gets even better, guys. Once you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want to help out the channel and you want some free money, use that link down below or go to StasSurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So you all know on Friday, this past Friday, this stock did not do well at all. It went down 13%, and at one point earlier in the day, it was down even more. I believe we covered this in a couple of videos or a couple of videos ago, but just to do a quick refresher, on Friday, it went down roughly at one point, rather, it was down at its worst, at the low of the day, it was down almost 30%. That is a pretty big drop there for Bed Bath & Beyond, guys, and you can see going back to the intraday chart, we did end up rallying off that low from roughly 13.6-ish cents up to around, we closed at 16.5 cents. You guys can see, and we actually had a little bit of a pop here heading into the close from roughly 15 cents up to about 16.5 cents. So actually, now that I'm looking at it, heading into the close, Bed Bath & Beyond actually ran about 10%. Not too bad. And maybe I should have bought more, on Friday. Maybe that 13-cent mark would have been the best spot to buy, but full disclosure, guys, I didn't buy more, but I am looking to buy more at some point this upcoming week. So you guys probably remember from my last breakdown video, we are still technically holding an uptrend here on Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Don't you guys see it here on the 10-day, 30-minute? We are still clearly holding this trend, and we're currently at a higher low right now. This is a very big spot for the bulls, right? If the bulls fail at around 13 to 14, 15-ish cents, right around the 180 SMA on the 10-day, 30-minute chart, that is not going to be good at all. If we do see, this thing flood through the moving averages here, well, it's already under the 50 SMA. Now, if it breaks the 180, we break the trend. That's not going to be good for the bulls. But if we do get the bounce here, which right now we're getting the consolidation, let's wait for the bounce. If we get the bounce, let's say past 17, 18-ish, 18.5 cents, that's going to be, in my eyes, the confirmation that this is getting ready for a huge move, probably back to the mid-20s. Heck, maybe it goes even higher than that. And if I clear the drawing set, let me show you guys this on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. Let me pull it up. You guys can see, if I get the handy dandy channel tool out, we are trading in, of course, a downwards channel, as last week was not the best week overall for bbbyq, as we started off the week at around roughly 23 cents, or rather the high of the week was 23 cents. That might have been on Tuesday. Either way, we went from 23 cents down to 13 cents. Then we closed at roughly 16 cents. And again, we're in this downwards channel. So if bbbyq can break out of this channel, let's say we start moving past, this 180 SMA on the 5-day, 5-minute, we break the top of the channel, which is right around 18, 19-ish cents. We start breaking past 20 cents. That is where we get that confirmation. That is where we would get the confirmation of the bounce on the 10-day chart, and from there we could be going even higher, maybe again mid-20s, maybe even higher than that. So I'm kind of waiting to see if we do get that bounce off the 180 SMA off the bottom of the channel. That's kind of what I'm banking on here heading into this week, guys. And my average cost, you may or may not know this, I've said this in a lot of the videos, but my average cost is right around 41 cents. And I don't have a crazy amount of Bed Bath & Beyond shares, guys. In fact, it's actually a very small amount compared to what you guys probably own. I only own 1,300 shares right now, and I had a goal a couple of weeks ago to get the 5,000 shares, which that is a goal that I put on the back burner as we saw the whole bankruptcy scenario play out. Now we transitioned over to, OTC, and of course the bankruptcy, situation is still playing out. It's not over. But that goal was kind of put on the back burner, but now I'm looking to, do that again. Now I'm actually looking to get to that 5,000 share mark, which, if we do get that confirmation, even if we don't, maybe in this pocket here between 14 to 15, 16 cents, this is where I might add another 2,000 shares on Monday, and then maybe, add a little bit more later in the week. And I'm not going to go crazy and start adding tens of thousands of shares. Trust me, guys, I could if I wanted to. But again, this is for the speculative side of the portfolio and the crazy chance of, it's seeing a crazy squeeze like I've seen with other stocks. And we've covered some other stocks like that in the channel or on the channel in the videos, which we're not going to get into in this video. But let's just say it is very possible now that we're in OTC. There's no, circuit breakers. There's really no way to really manipulate the stock. I mean, at some point, shorts are going to have to cover. And with no circuit breakers, this thing could go up a ton in a day and a couple of days in the span of a couple of weeks, more than you guys and even me could probably imagine. But that is it's very risky. It's not for sure guaranteed, obviously, or else everybody and their grandmother would be in this stock. But it's in the cards, right? It's in the cards, and for that possibility, there's a chance that happens. For me, that's good enough to add a little bit, to have some fun in this market, which, let's be honest, guys, the markets in general, S&P, Dow, Russell, NASDAQ, they've been pretty boring these past couple of months. So to have some fun, spice things up, for me, the risk is worth the reward. And again, it's me putting in a very small amount of money that I'm willing to lose. I mean, guys, look, if I get 5,000 shares, let's say my average cost is 20 cents. What would that be? $1,000 in Bed Bath & Beyond stock? I mean, that's not a crazy amount of money for me. That's an amount of money that I'm willing to lose. And, if it went to zero, okay, I'm out of $1,000. But if it went to, let's say, from 20 cents, let's say it went to $2, that's what is that? From 20 cents to $2. That's a 10x, right? Yeah. I can make 10 grand or have 10 grand, right? That's the way I'm looking at it. And that might not be the right way to look at it. I don't know. I'm not here to judge what the best way to look at it is. I'm just telling you guys the way I'm looking at it. After all, this is my YouTube channel, right, guys? So yeah, I'm looking to buy more of this. I'm looking to get it to 5,000 shares, and we'll see where it goes from there. Maybe I end up, buying even more. Never say never, guys. It is possible. So that's a quick little breakdown here on Bed Bath & Beyond stocks, some key levels that I'm looking at. And really, guys, if we break out of that 18, 19 cent level, get ready for more upside. And the volume is still there. I mean, on Friday, volume was right around, where was it? 15 million last I checked. Let me actually set my alert at 19 cents before we look at the volume. Yeah, probably around 15 million, actually no, 35 million in volume. So a lot of volume, even in the OTC market. Sure, volume has died down a little bit over the past week. When we first got into the OTC, when we first hit OTC with Bed Bath & Beyond, volume was in the 100 million plus, 80 million. So it has come down a little bit. But guys, all it takes is one big breakout, one big squeeze, and all the volume's coming back. It's going to suck up all the volume again, and we're going to be due for a big move, in my personal opinion. And of course, again, this is simply what I'm doing. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe if you guys want to. That is no pressure. And don't forget to also get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo. If you guys want to support the channel and you want some free money, use that link down below or go to stassurfest.com stas.com/mumu. Like I said before, once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. And once you fund your account with at least $100, you get 4 more stocks, totaling 5 stocks. And listen to this, guys. Once you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 free stocks. So if you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, again, use that Mumu link. And guys, each stock is valued up to $2,000, so you got to get in on that right now. Don't forget to also check out my Patreon if you guys want. That's also in the description. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you later.